Top 8 home remedies for cold. There are many home remedies that can alleviate your symptoms and get you back to normal. Here in this video you will know about top 8 home remedies to cure bad cold or influenza. Number 1. Ginger. The health benefits of ginger root have been noted for centuries, but now we have scientific proof of its curative properties. A few slices of raw ginger root in boiling water may help soothe a cough or sore throat. Number 2. Honey. Honey has a variety of antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Drinking honey in tea with lemon can ease sore throat pain. Honey is an effective cough suppressant. Research found that giving children 10 grams of honey at bedtime reduce the severity of their cough symptoms. The children reportedly slept more soundly, which also helps reduce cold symptoms. Number 3. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is a great choice when you are sick. Research suggests that enjoying a bowl of chicken soup with vegetables prepared from scratch or warmed from a can slow the movement of neutrophils in your body. Neutrophils are a common type of white blood cells. They help protect your body from infection. When they are moving slowly, they stay more concentrated in the area of your body that requires the most healing. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic contains the compound allicin, which may have antimicrobial properties. Adding a garlic supplement to your diet might reduce the severity of cold symptoms. Number 5. Echinacea. Native Americans have used the herb and root of the echinacea plant to treat infections for more than 400 years. Its active ingredients include flavonoids, chemicals that have many therapeutic effects on the body. Number 6. Vitamin C. Vitamin C plays an important role in your body and has many health benefits. Along with limes, oranges, grapefruits, leafy greens and other fruits and vegetables, lemons are a good source of vitamin C. Adding fresh lemon juice to hot tea with honey may reduce phlegm when you are sick. Drinking hot or cold lemonade may also help. Number 7. Salt water. Gargling with salt water may help prevent upper respiratory infections. It may also decrease the severity of cold symptoms. For example, it may ease sore throat pain and nasal congestion. Number 8. Warm baths. Sometimes you can reduce a child's fever by giving them a warm sponge bath. Warm bath can also reduce cold and flu symptoms. Adding Epsom salt and baking soda to the water can reduce body itches. Adding a few drops of essential oil such as tea tree, juniper, rosemary, thyme, orange, lavender or eucalyptus may also have a soothing effect. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.